In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a promotion on LinkedIn. If you've recently moved into a new role at the same company, updating your LinkedIn profile the right way can help show clear career growth. Instead of simply changing your old title, LinkedIn works best when you add the promotion as a new position. That way your roles can stack under the same company, making your progression much more visible to recruiters, colleagues, and anyone viewing your profile. To get started, go to your LinkedIn homepage and click the Me icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal profile page where you can edit your professional information. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you find the Experience section. This is where all of your past and current roles are listed. On the right side of that section, click the plus icon to add a new position. Even though you're recording a promotion within the same company, this is the best method because it preserves your job history and makes your advancement easier to understand at a glance. Now fill in the details for your new role. In the title field, enter your new job title exactly as you want it to appear. Then, in the company name field, make sure you use the exact same company as your previous role. This is important because LinkedIn uses that match to group positions together. If a company page appears in the autocomplete drop-down, select the official page rather than typing a variation manually. Next, add the start date for your promotion by choosing the correct month and year. After that, look for the option to end your current position as of now. If LinkedIn shows that checkbox, select it. If not, go back and manually add an end date to your previous role. This helps avoid making it look like you were working both positions at the same time, unless that was actually the case. Then add a description for the new role. This is a great place to briefly explain your new responsibilities, leadership tasks, major contributions, or specific achievements. Keep it focused on what changed and how the new position reflects your growth. Once everything looks correct, click Save to finalize the update. Your promotion should now appear properly on your profile, showing a clear progression within the same company. This small update can make a big difference in how your experience is presented on LinkedIn.